Hey coders, welcome back to the world of Scratch. Today, go to my stuff and create a new project and name it if statements. If statements. Yes. If you go to control, there's this if statement. If then if then else. That is the if statement. Basically, let's see. Let's see if yeah 1 is equal to 1, then we will hide ourselves. And because this is true, it will hide. Let's just quickly show that. Yeah. So basically, these if statements tell the computer, like ask the computer, if whatever you put in here is true, then it will run whatever's inside it. Then there's a if else. So in if this is false, then you'll just skip, and whatever's the next will run. But in this, if this is false, it runs normally. But if this is false, it won't skip and just go ahead. You can actually choose what to do if that's false. So if it's false, that cats is equal to cats. Cats. That's false. Then we will do this. Because it's false, this ran. This is true. So there's nothing in this. So nothing will run. So don't think it'll just skip here. It will skip it. Only if this is false, only then in that condition will this be played. Meow. Yeah. But another thing you can do is put another if inside this. Then you have if else. In coding, it's written as if elif. This is the elif. So if, then else. So if this is false, this will happen. Then inside it is what if that is true, whatever this is, it will do. But you can put a instead, if you want really long, you can keep putting on if else blocks. And then you have this really cool block which looks really cool. Or what you can do is make a E. Like this with one block. If you notice, that's an E. And this, if you put 3 blocks, it's an E. Yeah, that's it for if blocks. See you in the next video. Bye.